Welcome to Wizard.com. This is Ashwini, Maths tutor. Our question is, am is a sequence of integers such that a1 equals to 1 and am plus n equals to am plus an plus mn for all positive integers m and n. What is the value of a9? By setting n equals to 1 in the given recursive equation, we get am plus 1 equals to am plus a1 plus m for all positive integers m. For all positive integers m. So, am plus 1 minus am equals to m plus 1 for each m equals to 1, 2, 3 and so on. Hence, a9 minus a8 is 9. a8 minus a7 is 8 and so on. a2 minus a1 is 2. Now, summing these equalities, a9 minus a1 equals to a9 minus a8 plus a8 minus a7 plus and so on plus a2 minus a1. So here 9 plus 8 plus and so on plus 2. So a9 equals to 9 plus 8 plus and so on plus 2 plus 1, which is 9 into 9 plus 1 divided by 2. So it is 45. Hence, a9 is 45. From available options, we have option C as 45.